Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways to take a single, seamless, long-scrolling screenshot on your PC or laptop. We'll cover the 4 major browsers, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, and then I'll show you a powerhouse free tool that works across your entire computer. Video chapters are included if you want to skip ahead, but I highly recommend sticking around because some of these hidden browser features are absolute game changers. First up, let's talk about Microsoft Edge. Honestly, Edge makes this easier than almost anyone else because the feature is built right into the main menu. No coding or extensions required. Here is how you do it. Step 1. Open the page you want to capture. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of your browser and click the 3 dots to open the menu. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Screenshot, or just hit Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard. Step 4. A little menu will pop up on top. Click on Capture Full Page. Boom, just like that. Edge scrolls the whole page for you. From this preview screen, you can draw on it, erase mistakes, copy it, or hit Save to download it straight to your computer. Incredibly clean. Next up is Google Chrome. Now, you could download a third-party extension for this, but Chrome actually has a secret, super powerful screenshot tool hidden right inside its developer tools. You don't need to know how to code to use this, I promise. Follow these quick steps. Step 1. On your web page, go to the 3-dot menu on the upper right corner, go to More Tools, and then Developer Tools. Then go to this little device icon and open the pane. Go to this 3-dot menu and select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Step 2. Press Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command menu. Step 3. Type the word screenshot into the search bar. Step 4. Look for the option that says Capture Full-Size Screenshot and click it. Give it just a second and look at that. Chrome automatically downloads the entire page as a single PNG file. Pretty neat. If you're a Firefox user, you're in luck. Firefox has had one of the best screenshot tools in the game for years, and it's right at your fingertips. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the blank space of the web page. Step 2. Click on Take Screenshot from the context menu. Step 3. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 2 options. Click Save Full Page. From here, you can choose to copy it to your clipboard to paste it instantly into a chat, or click Download to save it to your hard drive. Fast, elegant, no fuss. Method number 4 is for our Opera users out there. Step 1. Look at the right side of your address bar at the top of the screen. Look for the little camera icon. Click it. Step 2. A small overlay will appear. You have 2 options. You can either capture full page or click the button that says Save Page as PDF. Opera saves long scrolls as a high-quality PDF rather than an image. This is actually amazing if you're saving articles or documents because the text remains completely selectable and searchable. Finally, what if you need to take a scrolling screenshot of something that isn't inside a web browser? Maybe it's a PDF file? Let's say, for example, the PDF we just saved from Opera, take a long screenshot of that. For this, you need a dedicated software, and ShareX is the absolute king. It's 100% free, open source, and has 0 annoying ads. Once you download and install it, here's how you capture a scrolling window. Step 1. Open the app or window you want to capture. Step 2. Open ShareX. Click on Capture in the top left and select Scrolling Capture. Just click and see the magic unfold before your eyes. Watch it go! It automatically scrolls, stitches the images together seamlessly, and gives you a flawless master image. And there you have it. 5 different effortless ways to capture the whole picture. Literally. Whether you prefer using built-in browsers or a powerhouse tool like ShareX, you'll never have to stitch together multiple screenshots manually again. If this video helped you, please give that like button a tap and subscribe to the channel for more quick, practical tech tips just like this one. Let me know in the comments down below. Which method is your personal favorite? Check out my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.